when I grew up, in-instill na sa akin ng mom and dad ko, love for the country talaga. And I'm very, 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 very proud to be Filipino. In all aspects, pag may nakikilala ako ng mga bagong mga foreigners, oh, you're from the Philippines. Yes, we have. The first thing I say is we have the best beaches in the world. Tapos, lagi yung mga sinasabi nila, oh, you know, Filipinos, they're so warm, and they're so loving. And I really am the first person to propagate how great Filipinos are, like in the service industry. Walang tatalo sa Pilipino, lalo na abroad. So, for me, ang paano ba natin pinapakita ang pagmahal natin sa country natin? Para sa akin, ang pagtutulong sa mga kapwa Pilipino. So, I try to do that. When I'm abroad, meron akong mga maliliit na Zumba programs for the OFWs there. Or kahit lang sino man lang, na basta Pinoy, nafe-feel mo talaga kabayan. I don't know if na-experience na to. Kunyari abroad ka, kunyari New York or Paris, tapos may Pinoy na waiter, makikita na Pinoy ka. Padala ng dessert, di ba? Or kape, free. Di ba? Kabayan.
On the house.
Yan yung mga Pinoy eh. Talagang we're so united in that way. And I always feel very proud. Even yung asawa ko, minsan, pag may makikita niyang Pinoy, oh, they're Filipinos. Parang excited.
Yeah.